Hello everyone, I am in my garage, my new heaven away from heaven, home from home. What are we doing right now? We are going to set up a new workbench and some shelves that I just bought at Harbor Freight and shelves at Ace Hardware. Funny story, the box for the shelves broke in the middle of Ace Hardware and I look like a complete idiot. But it's okay. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna clean this up a bit. We're gonna start installing things. I already started sweeping. It's disgusting. All of that is from just like this corner. But we're gonna organize this garage right now. So I have a place that I can feel comfortable working on my bike. Oh, but one thing, where's it at? Check this out. Lights, remote, off, on, off. Look how nice that is. All right, let's go, let's start cleaning. Woo. So, the garage is finally done, and I'm gonna show it to you. I'm really excited. I actually went and grabbed dinner and ate there instead of my living room because it was so cool. So, let's open it up and let's take a tour. So, bought this workbench at Harbor Freight. It was like $80, $85. Not the easiest of things to put together. It took a few hours, and then I messed up and accidentally switched the left and right side of the drawers, and you can't do that because it wouldn't go in. Had to go on Reddit, ask. Some guy was like, oh yeah, they're switched. Cool, Joey. Cool. But that's done. That I don't trust the shelf at all. I'm really afraid. It has this like weird chipset. So like, this is like basically the system, but like to me, this needs to go the opposite direction. I don't, you see that? Boop, boop, boop. That's that. So, I think that's it right now. I think this video is gonna be basically over. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do on these walls yet. I think something needs to go up.